Just old hockey injuries from playing hockey for 25 years. Had surgery on my neck in the 90s and just mid-back issues. So that's generally why I came. In Venice at Gold's Gym, I ran into just a couple guys, MMA fighters, and I've seen like hockey players there, and I have asked, and they were like, oh, you need to check out these two places. And you guys were the main one that people are like, if you want to avoid surgery or just try to like get so you can be in the gym more, they were like, check it out. And I feel like I talked to about probably 6 people. They all had good experiences. So the 2 discs, one above my neck where I had the surgery, they fused my neck. So they said they needed to fix a disc in there, and then in my mid back. And then they did the facet joints in my thoracic and my neck just because of like there's a lot of, I call it soft tissue damage more than like something that needs surgery. It's just from probably all the banging years ago. But I'm in my 50s now, so I kind of feeling it more than I was the last 20 years.
Michael has myofascial trapezius muscle, which is some patients with discopatic pain produce overload in the muscle around the neck. For that reason, Michael has felt a terrible cervical pain for myofascia. He has done therapy and block pain, chiropractic, and a lot of treatment with improve his symptoms.
It was good. I mean, they got it all down. I mean, they keep you comfortable. I didn't feel any pain. There was no language issues. I mean, I felt all around, man, I kind of tried to come in with no expectations, and then it's just like, it kind of like blew my mind a little bit, like how together, and just compared to what I did when I was in the States. To me, it brings the best. I felt like it brings the best out of me this week, just generally just because of how like the people are genuine, polite. It kind of blew me away. Like I watched a couple of videos, I'm like, are they just saying that? And then you get here and you're like, wow, like I have to remember to say hello every time I get in the elevator to everybody, because that's just like what it is. Like at first I was like, wait a minute, and now I'm like, okay, like this is just like, they're just humble people and just want to make everybody feel comfortable. So it's just more personalized care, honestly, from my experience.